Now it is.
I don't know. It's not going in for me either.
Might need some cleaners.
Is it going to fire?
There you go.
Alright. Sit in that chair and watch, right?
Gotta make it windy.
Here, Dad.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carly. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Your own cake. Here we go. All right. Yeah.
Is she going to smash it?
Kellen, come here, please.
I'm going to smash it.
She might.
Down with that?
Or now? Smash it.
On the top. Oh, yummy.
I'm going to smash it.
She's going to, chill.
Yeah. Oh, you know what you're doing.
Is she
Remember
smash
Owen would shake his hand and frosting would go all over?
Is she going to do it right now?
A little bit.
She's just chowing on it a little.
Yummy.
Alright,
Yeah,
very
there
good.
you go.
I can get some of your toes in. That would really be good.
Carly! Yay!
She's not smashing it.
She
Working
is.
on it.
Give her a piece of paper. She can finger paint now.
Yeah. Oh, Carly! Here, Owen. Oh, good job. That's a good one. Wow. Look at her eyes. Oh, man. Gracie, you want a hug? Go give her a high five. Oh, she's getting in the cake now.
Oh, this is great. Can you get some of your toes?
Is she going to smash it?
Oh, look at it.
That's smashed.
I get to do this every day now.
She smashed it.
She did.
You can't be serious.
Hilarious. Let's get you.
Are we done? No?
Oh, get her eye. Yeah. Yeah,
In a
purple
minute.
boogers.
Kellen, what do you need?
Yeah.
Kellen, the ball?
Hey, quit asking.
This one. Here.
Too cute.
Not that one.
Well, that one's all Carly's.
Thank you. Is it good? Just,
Hey, Carly.
Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. Like this, Carly. Yeah.
She says, Bubba, why don't you come over here and I can
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want one.
Kisses. Yay!
Whoa. Oh.
Are you
One
all
little piece
done?
went down there. That's okay.
Oh.
You gotta clean the chair now too.
Yeah, no, I think they will.
Their chairs. That's right.
Yeah, Lee, don't get any funny ideas about hauling those chairs in that blue van in the back. They're yours now.
We'll take them
Yep.
to the camping
Is that
place.
messy?
Alan, do not throw that.
That one's got some
Bring it here.
paint on it.
Oh, there. Here.
Oh
bring it
my
here.
goodness,
Need
you're a
for me.
messy baby.
Oh, I
Oh,
thought
that
you
thing.
sure
Oh, no.
Yeah, there's
That's a window breaker.
Choo choo.
Huh? Yep. I think we can start cutting it.
Yay!
that whole,
Oh,
just
is it
regular.
his?
No, no, I'm just waiting.
That's
for
awesome.
I guess.
Careful. Watch out, everyone. Oh, good job.
Yay!
Yay. Where's the other ball?
You want a corner
Go get
piece?
the hose.
Where's that other ball?
See it on the ground? Over this way. There it is. There, Mommy has it.
Don't torture.
He knows he doesn't like it. Right on his head. No.
Okay. There, that's all done. Aren't you glad that's done?
Golly, yummy.
Yummy.